Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
I should tell Jerry what I heard. Huh? Oh?
Holly, let's be sure to keep a lookout. There's a lot of people in one place, so I don't want anyone to get lost.
How did they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic. Mater, let's go! You're on!
My friend Guido, he dreamed to give a real race car a pit stop.
Pit stop?
Don't worry, Edward. When I first chuffed here, I thought Misty Island was strange too.
And unstoppable.
Well, don't overlook Lightning McQueen.
Tag, you're in.
What?
Dusty here enough. Tough negotiators, by the way.
Oh, you flatter us. But don't stop.
Anyway.
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with mine...
Well, I create feelings and others they themselves don't understand, and blah, 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 blah.
Let's go, Mac. Saddle up. What'd you do with my trailer?
I parked it over your sponsor's tent.
What?
You gotta make your...
The Rastafarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock.
Me be jamming now, man.
Paint job, man. Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Explode, please!
Oh, Red, you missed a spot. Share it right there. In the hood, right there.
If you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut.
I love this guy. Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, face. Drop and give me 20 miles. Go, go, go.
Puesto encontramos a Chick Hicks. Ha perseguido el título toda su carrera.
Chick creyó que este era...
Correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.
It's your axle rod. I'm sorry to interrupt. No, it's all right. I just wanted to come down here and to personally...
Fabulous. I've never seen Doc drive more than 20 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
No.
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't you responded to radio con...
Take my highway. That's the highway. That's the
fight over everything. They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari. Which one?
Ven, tractorcito. Ven aquí. Sí, qué gran tractor. No, 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 no. Ven acá.
Francesco is triple speed. Ho ho! Francesco!
We're gonna be going now, okay? A little something to remember us by.
Here. Mama! Don't worry, Mama! The queen is very sad. I would...
You actually care about that race car. A pity you didn't warn him in time.